Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, August 28, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 4.25 points to 2902 3/4. So all in all, futures are slightly higher ahead of the opening bell. Yesterday, for a Monday, we had a pretty good rally on our hands, although the Russell 2000 did lag a little bit, finishing just slightly higher, where the other major indexes were much stronger. We'll see what we get today out here. All in all, we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started. We're going to start the day off with Best Buy. They reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $76.87. It closed yesterday at $81.66, so this is a little bit of a haircut. I like the $75 level. Now, this is an earnings play, so you got to be a little bit careful, but I do think 75 is some short-term support. If it breaks there, this can go much lower, so be careful there, but 75 right now looks like it should hold initially if it is tested. Next up, we have Tiffany's. Ticker symbol is TIF. Stock right now is trading at $138 a share, closed at $129.78. So this is a nice pop for Tiffany's. This is also on the back of earnings. When I look at this name, though, you have a big double top right around the 140 level, even a little bit higher, 141.64. So again, it's still going to take a little bit of pressure to get up there. If you own Tiffany's right now, I would trail the stop loss. If I don't own it, and I do not, I am just going to leave it alone. We'll see what it looks like once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at BJ Wholesale. Ticker symbol is BJ. Stock right now is trading at $26.99. This is the first earnings report, I believe, since going public, or maybe it's a second. But either way, right now I don't see a whole lot to do. If this gets down to around 24.5, there could be a play there. Keep it on the radar, but that's the best level I could give you with the amount of time we have allotted in this name. And again, this has only been public since the month of June, late June. So again, that's the best we could do with it at the moment. But around 24.5, it does look like there should be some decent support if it gets there for an intraday play. Let's take a look at Applied Materials. Ticker symbol AMAT. I believe they were downgraded today. Stock is trading at $43.31, closed at $43.75. So we're not going to make too much out of this. Ultimately, though, still looks weak on the charts. Here we have Lam Research. LRCX is the ticker symbol here. This was also downgraded today. Stock closed at $176.21, now trading at $173.61. So this got a little bit of a dip to it this morning, and we'll see how this plays out. But these are names I like to look at once the opening bell rings, and we'll see if we can find some levels then. Next up, we have DSW, Discount Shoe Wear, I believe is the acronym. But either way, stock is flying high today. Closed at $27.20. It is now trading at $32.80. So great pop there for DSW. This is a strong name this morning. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I'm going to work on some levels for this. I think I see them right out here. So again, watch that $35 area. Get to 35, 35.25. Very good resistance there. Great move, though, nonetheless, so far before the opening bell. Let's take a look at HAIN Celestial. It's HAIN. Stock right now is trading at $27, closed at $28.61. I don't see anything great here for this name, so be careful with this. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Stock, again, is not showing a lot of strength. Chart is not the prettiest chart I've seen, so you got to be a little bit careful out here with HAIN. Campbell Soup CPB is in play. They will not be selling the entire company. Stock right now is trading at $38.99, closed at $40.70. Again, this is another name that really has been, pretty much under pressure for a while. It has had a nice rebound from 32 back up to 40, so we'll see how it plays out today. I'll be watching this one once the opening bell rings. Right off the bat, I don't see anything that I love here. I'm watching a level right around this 38.75 area, and there's a gap around 38.50. So I guess around there could be some intraday support, but we'll look at this one closer once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look here at IONS. And again, this stock is getting hammered today. It looks like IONS and another company, AKCA, received a letter from the FDA, completion letter, and That is not a good thing. This stock is getting hammered today. Closed at 53.70. Now trading at 47.48. So that's not a pretty picture there. Still a fair amount of support around the 43 level and a lot more around 37 if it did trade down there. So we'll see how that plays out. That's biotech world for you. Let's take a look at Xilinx XLNX. I think this is upgraded today. Stock is trading at $77.62. Closed at 75 and a quarter. So good little pop there. I would not chase this higher though. This looks to be getting into overbought territory. All right, let's go over now to the gold market. Gold futures today trading up $1.50. Right now we have gold futures at $1,217.50 an ounce. Gold is up. That means the dollar is down. And sure enough, U.S. dollar index coming down a little bit more today. If we take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that is trading right at 114.66. So basically right where it closed. Crude oil today trading higher by 7 pennies to $68.94 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is good ETF to track the movement in crude, that's trading at 14.53, closed at 14.50. So we won't make too much out of it. Again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Another dynamite day yesterday. And again, we're going to look to keep it going right into the end of the year. It's been a great year so far in 2018. Come take that 7-day free trial. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great session, and we'll see you all on the charts.